Even though we have oil, different colors of oil, this is not about oil. This is not about onions. Even though onions makes a lot of noise, its strength is not too much. We have pepper. There are things better than pepper. Anyone can buy pepper. There are things that cannot be bought. So we will fry it. And add other things that are yet to be added. Tomatoes was part of it. Carefully sliced tomatoes. But it's not the strongest in this competition, combination, exhibition. But before we digress and say unimaginable things, let's get back to where we used to be. Where we were. Where was I? Let's add spices and seasonings and salt before we talk about the subject matter in this expedition. Something no one have seen before. Something unimaginable. Is it fish? Fish is not unimaginable. So what is better than fish? Who is better? Can we see the unimaginable? Surely it must be eggs. Everyone have seen eggs before. There are things no one have seen before. Things that can only be whispered in secret places. Cover it. Uncover it. We started with oil. Multiple colors of oil. But it wasn't about oil. It wasn't about leaves. Perhaps it was about the mastery, the competition, combination, the cookery expedition. We never figured it out. And we will never know. Cover it. People of the universe. Everyone thought it was impossible. It was only whispered in secret places. Meat mastery. The unimaginable best friend for Mr. Rice.